The Oslo Diamond League meet was indeed an exciting showcase of athletic talent, especially for the Caribbean athletes who made significant strides. Among the impressive performances, a few athletes stood out. From world-leading times to record-breaking performances, this meet had it all. Witness how Caribbean athletes dominated the track, setting the stage for the upcoming Paris Olympics. Marileidy Paulino ran an impressive 400-meter world-leading time, while Rushell, Clayton, Anjanette Knight and Genevieve Russell led a Jamaican clean sweep in the 400-meter hurdles at the Oslo Bislett Games. Let's get into it. As the season progresses, there are more track and field meets weekly as many athletes prepare for their respective Olympic trials and the 2024 Paris Olympic Games, which will be held later this summer. The Oslo Diamond League, more popularly known as the Oslo Bislett Games, is one of the best meets on the Diamond League circuit. The premier event of the meet was the men's 400-meter hurdles, which saw home crowd favorite Nigerian Karsten Warholm opening his season in the event. 2022 Eugene World Champion Alison dos Santos of Brazil upset Karsten Warholm by winning the event with a world-leading 46.63 seconds. Karsten Warholm was second with 46.70 seconds, and British Virgin Islands Kyron McMaster placed third with a season's best of 48.49 seconds. Jamaica's women in the 400-meter hurdles swept the top spots, with Rushell Clayton winning in 54.02 seconds, Anjanette Knight in second with a season's best of 54.63 seconds, and Genevieve Russell in third with a season's best of 55.07 seconds. Rushell Clayton looked quite happy with her performance as she congratulated her countrywomen on their performances. Double Diamond League 400 meters champion Marileidy Paulino of the Dominican Republic put on a show in the 400 meters. She won the event with a world-leading 49.30 seconds to eclipse the previous world-leading time of 49.32 seconds done by Jamaica's Nikisha Price at the Southeastern Conference Championship. Double World Championship medalist Shade Williams placed fifth with a season's best of 50.71 seconds to rule out the Caribbean placings in the event. Multiple world and Olympic champion Kirani James fought long and hard in the 400 meters as he placed second with a season's best of 44.58 seconds to place second. The race was won by double world championship medalist Matthew Hudson-Smith of Great Britain in a new European record of 44.07 seconds. Jamaica's Rashid McDonald was the only Caribbean athlete in the race, and he finished 8th with 47.60 seconds. 2019 Doha World Championship silver medalist in the discus Frederick Dakers of Jamaica was the only Caribbean man in the competition as he threw the implement 65.06 meters to place 6th. The event was won by recently crowned world record holder Mykolas Alekna of Lithuania with a meeting record of 70.91 meters, just outside of the previous record of 70.51 meters done by his father, Virgilius Alekna, in 2007. 2023 Jamaica National 100 meters champion Rowan Watson ran a season's best of 10.23 seconds to place 6th, and Johan Blake was 7th with 10.29 seconds. The race was won by Akani Simbini of South Africa with a season best of 9.94 seconds. Natoya Gould Toppin of Jamaica placed second in the women's 800 meters with a season's best of 1 minute 59.10 seconds. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. South Africa's Prudence Sechoniso won the race with a 1 minute 58.66 seconds. Lazaro Martinez was the only Caribbean entrant in the men's triple jump as he placed third with a leap of 16.85 meters. 2023 Budapest World Champion Fabrice Zango of Burkina Faso had 17.27 meters. The most shocking result of the meet came in the women's 200 meters as double world champion Shericka Jackson of Jamaica finished 5th with 22.97 seconds. The race was won by 2019 Doha World Championship silver medalist Brittany Brown of the United States with a season best of 22.32 seconds. To put this into perspective, this is Shericka Jackson's first loss since the 2022 Doha Diamond League. Overall, there was a great meet for our Caribbean athletes as many of them will now turn their attention to the final Diamond League in Stockholm, which is before the Olympic trials season. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Which performance at the Oslo Diamond League excited you the most? Do you think the Jamaican women can continue their clean sweep in the 400-meter hurdles at the Olympics? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics, we are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.